Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the stains of your nails. So guys, I just want to show you that I have been washing my hands and trying to remove the stain, but I just couldn't. So that you can see, before I started work, I did wash my hands and the stain did not come out. As you can see, even after I washed my hands, the stain is still there. So it's like basically stuck onto my hand. So guys, this is what my nails look like before. This is both my hands before I have even done anything. What you're going to do is get yourself some nail polish remover. Make sure it has got literally no acetone in it. You don't want any acetone on your hands. Thereafter, you're going to get some cotton wool. Doesn't matter what cotton wool, any size will do. Just open it up a little bit and thereafter like curl the whole ball together, just making it a little bit bigger. And thereafter take some of your nail polish remover and dab into your cotton wool. As I said, just make sure you have no acetone because you don't want your manicure to be ruined. So get a nail polish remover that has got no acetone. If you see your manicure is stained a lot, make sure you go in with extra nail polish remover and thereafter just take it and rub onto your fingers. Take it and rub and rub and rub. As you can see, if you look at the cotton wool carefully, you do see some yellow already coming out. Look guys, it's already coming out. So you're going to continue doing this until you reach your desired result that you want. I went in and continued doing this until the entire yellow had come out of my nails. If you've got nugs like me, like 3D nugs and things like that, make sure you go in really carefully. You don't want to like break off your nugs or anything of that sort on your nails. Make sure you go in really carefully. All you're going to do is just rub really gently onto your hands, and thereafter that you'll see like the entire stain has been removed. If your nails are see-through just like mine, make sure you go in on the back of the nail as well and also clean that up so that the front actually looks neat and clean. For the last part, you're just going to go in with a little bit of cutex remover and then just rub your hand after that. And it's as simple as that, guys. So guys, this is the video today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with more amazing videos. So guys, last but not least, this is the final look of how my nails have turned out. That was what it looks like after, and that was what it looks like before.